Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. When it comes time to take your Christmas lights down, it's always a pain in the butt the next year trying to remember how you installed them. A little tip that we do, we make these maps, and then you can see the guys, they start labeling them as they take them down. All it is little stickies, and you can create yourself kind of like a key and a cue with a map that shows like where this strand starts here and it ends there, and we get our power source from over here and it connects into this plug. And it seems like a little bit of work up front, but it's going to pay off huge dividends in the years that follow, because you're going to be able to take them out of the box. You can see, just wind them up, try to keep them as organized as possible, but then it's no more guesswork. It's no more trying to figure out which one goes where and how to do this and how to do that. It's just going to make the whole overall process easier. So these are just little tips and tricks that we've learned over the years. Hopefully you can use them and apply them at your personal house. If you got any questions, any suggestions, feel free to let us know. Other than that, we look forward to hearing from you. Y'all have a good day.